I just made $16,000 last month. Like literally in the last 30 days, I took home $16,000, which is literally half of what I used to make in a year in 30 days alone by working for free. Now this may seem counterintuitive. I may seem hypocritical. How did you make $16,000 working for free? Well, in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to explain. Is the concept of how working for free will make you more money than you already have, make you more money than your friends, your family, your nurses, your doctors, your teachers, more money than anybody in your fucking life by just working for free. So there's two guys, okay? There's Jeffrey and Adonis. Here we go. Fucking I'm Hamza, right? So there's two guys. There's Jeffrey and there's Adonis. Jeffrey, okay, decides he has a big ego and he needs to get paid what he's worth when he still has no clients, right? We're pretending we're beginners here. He's a beginner, right? But he's like, man, I've studied so hard. I've worked so hard for this. I deserve to get paid. I deserve to get paid a ton of money. So my services cost $10,000. And so he goes up to the market and charges $10,000, right? And months go by, and everyone's saying no, and he finally catches a break and he closes his first client. And then a few more months go by and it's almost about to hit a year and he closes his second client. He's now made $20,000. Except those two people hated him because he got bad results. And so they disputed him and they tried to get a refund from him and they tried to take him to court and they got mad at him. He had to refund them and now he's at $0 and he has 0 case studies, 0 testimonials, 0 referrals, and 0 confidence in his service. And then there's Adonis. And Adonis decides to put his ego aside. He says, you know what? I understand that collecting 10K now isn't as important as collecting 10 clients, because you see the flywheel of getting clients is what makes SMA wheel turn, right? Because what happens is you set appointments easier because you close people on a free trial, and so you get clients. And getting clients gives you case studies, it gives you referrals, it gives you testimonials, it gives you data, it gives you feedback on where you're bad, where you're good, right? And you take all that, and now you have more confidence, more data, more feedback, more testimonials, more case studies. You take that and you become better at marketing. And now you get better at marketing, you can start to charge money, and you can start to say that it's not free, which allows you to book more appointments now. And now it allows you to get more sales because now you have more confidence from your actual service itself, which allows you to close more clients, and more clients allows you to charge more for your service because now you have more proof of concept, so you're able to charge more because you know what you're doing. And the flywheel goes on and on and on, but this all starts with closing clients. And so Adonis understands that the thing that makes the flywheel turn in SMMA is closing clients, because client is the start, it is the gas, is the fuel for everything else in the flywheel. And if you can just get some clients, everything else will start to spin. And so he signs 10 free trial clients in the first month. And after 30 days, he services 10 clients because he does 1 month free trial. After 30 days, 5 of them get bad results and 5 of them get good results. So here's what happens. 5 of them give him a testimonial, they give him a referral, they just give him a case study because they are their case study. And they also say, Adonis, we really like what you did, we want to work with you. And they start to pay him $1K, maybe $2K a month, maybe he sells them into a higher ticket upsell of a different program, whatever the case is. He's now making a bare minimum $5K per month. Now, these clients are happy with him, so let's assume they stay for at least a couple more months. On top of that, he now has testimonials, referrals, case studies, and confidence to now be better at marketing, to now start to say, hey, it's not free, it's good because of what I've done for these people, and use it as proof of concept, and you start to close more clients from maybe 5K front, 10K front. And as you can see, while in the first month, if you compare the two people, the guy charging 10K was further ahead. After just a few short months, Adonis is actually the one pulling ahead. And Jeffrey is stuck with his fucking hand in his pants, jerking off to the fact that he wants to make 10K from a client that never wants to pay him anything. And so you can see how after a year, if we look at the progress of each two, Jeffrey is back at square one, which is 0 clients, 0 MRR, 0 case studies, 0 testimonials, while Adonis has a multitude of clients. He has a real business, he has employees, he has MRR coming in, he has testimonials, he has happy clients, he has referrals, he has case studies, he has a real company. Why? Because Adonis put his ego aside and realized that getting clients is single-handedly more important than trying to have a huge ego and pride and charging a bunch of money. Because he understood that being able to charge a bunch of money doesn't come from you thinking you're worth something, it comes from you proving that. And that all started with Adonis realizing that it's more important for me to have 10 clients that pay me nothing than to have 1 client who pays me 10 grand, or let alone, in Jeffrey's case, 0 clients. And it's crazy how this is a story that I made up, but this is very much real. And a lot of you watching this are Jeffreys. As a matter of fact, you may be worse than Jeffrey. You may not even be able to ever close a deal, and you're still stuck with 0 clients. And if you can just understand and grasp the concept that clients is what makes the SMMA flywheel spin, and you went out there and you offered your services, I'll give you a tip, not just as a free trial, but as a, let's just say, a test run. So you don't go up to them and say, hey, I'm shit at what I do, let's do a free trial. You say, here, I charge 5K for my services, but here's the thing. I understand that businesses are built off trust, and you don't know me and I don't know you. And so it'd be stupid for you to jump into business with me because you don't know anything about me. And therefore, I want to make sure I earn your trust, and therefore I want to show you how good the system is, because I know that once you see how good it is, you'll continue to use it for the rest of your life, and selfishly, I'll make more money that way. And so I'll let you test drive the system for the first 30 days, and I'll give it to you entirely for free, no strings attached. If after you like it, which I know you will because I know I'm good at what I do, you decide you want to keep paying me X per month, how does that sound? They say, great, boom. And you just sign client after client after client after client. One of the guys I mentored signed 9 clients last week doing this. 9 fucking clients in one single week. That's more than most people sign in a year, let alone even in their life. In one single week. Why? Because he understood the power of short-term gain for long-term pain, short-term sacrifice for long-term rewards. Right? Rome wasn't built today. We all know these sayings, yet we fail to grasp and understand them. And this is your calling. This is your sign that working for free may very well be the thing you need to do. I worked for free for 3 years before I ever signed my first paying client. 3 years. Most people wouldn't even dare to work for free for one person. I did it for 3 years. What did that allow me to do? Well, it allowed me to then eventually start charging a lot of money. It allowed me to work, as a matter of fact, I just got an inquiry from Rolex if I want to film a video for them. From fucking Rolex. Most people want to buy Rolex. I have Rolex hitting me up. Uno reverse, look at that go. Why? Because I proved myself to the market. I didn't go out there saying how good it was, I proved it to them. And people saw that and went, wow, this guy's undeniably good, because confidence and you know, proof of concept doesn't come from you saying you're good, it comes from you proving you're good. And so they saw that and they went, wow, I want to work with this guy. Anyways, the point is, I now made $16,000 in the last fucking month. Most people never make that in even 6 months, a year, whatever the fucking point is. All because I decided to put my ego aside, my pride aside, and I decided to just get experience. I decided that, you know, leveling up in this game isn't necessarily about quantifying how much money I make, but how much I learn. And I define success as how much I learn, not how much by money I make. And by all metrics, when you work for free, you learn a lot. And so you become very successful. The problem is a lot of people have a huge ego, and they don't want to work for free because they want to get paid. Here's the problem, is working for free will actually get paid quicker, faster, and to make a lot more money as well. So, take this as your sign to work for fucking free, and then thank me once you do it.